Drawell Scientific is a professional group that designs, manufactures and distributes high-performance scientific instruments and high-value analytical solutions to support our customers fulfill their analysis of laboratory, safety of water, gold mining, food and pharmaceutical, environmental science, chemical education, wastewater and many others. The company started in 1999 in China, and has become a joint venture after being invested by an U.S. company since 2014. Drawell's philosophy is to provide customers with an easy and common approach to achieve their testing demands, with an affordable price. In the current competitive market, Drawell has been growing every year with this philosophy and continuously invests in research and development to expand our knowledge, to improve our quality and efficiency, and to offer the best technical support for our customers. Meanwhile, Drawell is committed to explore the different markets by attending overseas exhibitions, such as Arab Lab, Picton, Analytica Russia, Lab Africa, Analytica Munich, Analytica Latin America, Thailand Lab etc. Thus, Drawell already has established business relationships with customers from more than 50 countries, and enjoyed a good reputation through reliable quality, reasonable price, and good service. We manufacture all the products with strong stability and great quality. Our engineers strive to achieve higher standards by adopting advanced materials. All Drawell products are in compliance with international standards and our production facilities are ISO 9001 certified. Drawell now has been a leading manufacturer and exporter of laboratory equipment and scientific instruments. As we constantly challenge ourselves to advance existing technology, we shall provide high-quality products and services at reasonable prices on a timely basis, thereby